All right, welcome everybody, and I'm happy to have you guys back. Um, this will be quick, and I need everybody to participate in this after maybe you have done a little findings concerning this project. But nothing to lose for now because the project is 100% free for now. Other tags have not been open yet, but they will in the near future. So Polana Network is just another, it's not just another point system, right? So they are rebranding and building the first chain bridging Solana plus Polkadot. We all know Polkadot. Polkadot is an old chain, and they are empowering community growth through on-chain engagement. You have the reward aspect of it and also the builder's mission. So the builder's mission here now is just the social interaction. I just joined this today, and I think I got the information from a friend. So I decided to kind of let you all know about this project. It's free, 100% free. For those of you who started maybe years back, who did Pi, this was how all these projects start. They start very jokingly, and maybe in the near future they become something worthwhile that everybody's talking about. So the project is at the early stage, not much people are here now, so it pays to be early. And one thing about being early to a project like that, you get to a kind of maybe get the lion's share in terms of the points and maybe the airdrop, and also you get to invite your friends that don't know about it. So let's just build in and grow together, and I'll maybe take us through the process of joining. It's very simple. It doesn't require much from you, and since that you don't even need real money to even interact for now, you understand, you have to just start and gather the points, right, as much as you can. So if you registered with my referral link, you get 100 points. Then you can start mining. I think there's a mining power here and the GM. The GM is just the social interaction. So first things to do, I've connected my Discord. It doesn't even require connecting your wallet for now. So you need to just connect your Discord channel for the meantime. Then once you connect your Discord channel, you click on this I think this should be, this is my dashboard. You see the dashboard here. So you see I'll go to the Discord interaction very soon. So you see the dashboard where you get to in your GM point, then the mining interface. Then if you go to how does it work, you see a lot of information on how it works. The mining formula, that is 1 point per day when you say GM on the Discord channel. Then the mining power multiplier, I think the mining power multiplier have to do with maybe the more you refer, the more your multiplier. Then you see the daily output. Your daily points are calculated by multiplying your GM, you see. So your daily points, they are calculated by multiplying this your GM now. Base rate, so by your total mining power combined multipliers from all active power source. That is, you join the Discord to start earning. I'll take you all to the Discord very soon, but let's just read more of how this whole thing work. So let me broaden the screen here so that we'll get to see it well. So increase your streak now. Say GM in Discord every day. Don't miss a day, or your daily streak reset. So if the more you don't miss, the higher your daily streak, right? So be consistent. It's just to be consistent and don't miss. So set a reminder to maintain consistency. So take a look at the boost power. Now unlock more power source categories, climb tier within each categories, higher tiers, higher multiplier, maximize output, focus on both streak and power, long streak plus high power equals to massive output, point accumulate daily automatically. So look at the example they gave in this scenario now. 7 day streak times 1 x power, which is 7 days times 1. Then 30 day streak, you see, times 2.5 x power. Here you have 75 point per day, right? Then you have 100 days streak, we have 5.0 x power, that is 500 point per day, right? So you see, the higher the streak, you don't miss a day, the higher the point per day. So 100 days, if you click 100 days now, you'll be any 500 point per day. So it's quite interesting. So there's a referral program here. You invite your friends, then you get to a kind of participate in there. So each power source add multiplier to boost your daily mining, unlock categories and claim tiers to maximize your output. So daily devotion, first light, consistency in daily GM streak, dormant, say GM daily to build your streak and activate this power source. Then you have community builders, first light, successful referral, users who join and say GM. You see all the likes here. So there are more here. I don't want to kind of dwell here for the whole of this section. Now once you connect your wallet to join, you need to go to the Discord. This is the Discord channel. I've already joined the Discord channel. You see on the Discord channel now, you see a lot of buttons. You have to verify yourself before you are open to this community. And once you do the verification, I think there are links here. Let me see if I can maybe give them a follow on their X account. Okay, they have an X account. I'll just go there and give them a follow. So you find other of their social website links here, even Telegram, you can join them. So aside that, one of the places that we should focus attention is the GM interface, which is where you get your point on a daily basis. So you just come to the GM interface here, you type GM. I've already typed GM today, so this will not go. And I think in 5 hours 21 minutes 31 seconds it will be open for me to type GM again. So they have a limit on how many messages you can send per day. So I think it should be 6-hour interval or so. So this is the general chat. You just need to be active on both the general chat and the GM interface, because it matters a lot. Maybe there may be roles coming, and they will maybe reward those that are more active on the chat. So let's look at this is the X handle. So the X handle, they don't have much followers now. I told you it's a new and fresh project. You don't want to miss any opportunity that this project has. So I followed them on X, and I've turned on the post notification. So I don't know. Okay, I think okay, maybe I would just take glance on their X page later on. Let me see what they have done so far. I don't think they have had any AMA section before, but maybe later I will do that. Now that is that for Polana. Is it, what's the name again? Let me look at the name very well. Let me not pronounce the wrong thing. Polana is called Polana. I think they got this. They got this name from Solana. So this one is Polana. So whatever the pronunciation is, you pronounce it your own way. The most important thing is that you just get in and start this interaction. So there is a project I want to also recommend to you. It's called Solstice But this Solstice now, it requires money. It's not really free, it's retroactive, but the project is very right. When it comes to stables on Solana, I think they are bridging the gap. And as maybe a low risk taker, you might be having your coin, maybe your USDT, lying down somewhere waiting for a perfect time to enter the market. If you are that kind of low risk person, you can just bring it to Solstice now. You leave it there, then your money grows for you, right? So how it grows for you is that it earns points for you on the Solstice website, right? And they already have a point system that they will be converting to the airdrop when launched. About 7.5% of the airdrop will be given to all participants, those that participate in the Solstice program. So as you can see now, I already have 76,613 flare points. So flare is the point they give you for maybe buying the stablecoin here or providing liquidity. But if you are a low risk taker, please just don't provide liquidity, because there's risk attached to it. But that is where the bigger multiplier lies, because you provide liquidity, you get higher returns of the points that they will be giving out. So I'll drop all information, links and everything at the description of this video. Do well to maybe interact with this particular project. So once you register, I think you get started here. You register with your Solana wallet. This is Solana project. This is different from the project I talked about initially. So I'm combining two projects to a kind of explain in this video. So don't get it mixed up. And I will drop the information in written form as well for you guys to maybe jump and interact with it. So once you get started, now you connect your Solana wallet, they'll ask you to a kind of use a partner code. So the partner code is Radium or ORCAs. So I'll drop the information so that you interact with. So once you do that one, you get a 1,000 flare point for adding a partner code. Then referral also, you get 1,000 points for using a referral code. So it's very important to use these two codes now. So after doing that, now I think the network is not that strong. If not, there are informations here I wanted to show you guys. So there are other quests here that you need to do. Maybe follow them on X, you understand, they have points for that as well. And maybe add liquidity, provide, do a swap, all this on-chain interaction, not less than $100 and what have you. So if you have the money, with the information I'll drop, and you still need to maybe find out yourself as well, go on X, go on their website, find out more about what they are building. But it's a very big project, huge project. See, you see the interest of people in this project. See the TVL. This is the total money they have. People have put in this project since it launched, and it's not up to a month or two that it launched. And you are seeing a total value locked is $260 million already. So this project is huge, and they have a target of raising or maybe having a total value lock of $1 billion. You understand now? So it's huge, and they have a kind of strong backings. You understand? They have strong backing, reputable project. I think from the Solana ecosystem and other chain are backing this project. So this is a project you don't want to miss. So do a little research and jump in. All details will be at the description of this video. So do well to maybe read and also maybe understand it. Understand the all the liquidity section that you want to involve your money on. And I just advise now, if you are a low risk taker, avoid all the other liquidity pool. If you just hold the USX, the stable coin are two. We have the USX and the, let me show you guys here, this one USX and the eUSX. So once you hold this stable coin on your wallet, you buy it on, if you deposit your Solana token, you can buy it on your Solana, any Solana wallet, you can see it and buy. So now let me let me see if it is here. If you have your Phantom wallet or whichever wallet you are using, if you go to swap, let me see, I think I can get it here. If you go to the swap interface, I want to get the, okay, this is the swap interface now. So this network should not just misbehave. Can it come up? So if you go to the swap interface, if where you are supposed to choose a particular coin, the network is not strong here, so you click on it, you type USX, the coin will come up, then you enter your sole amount you want to use to buy. Once you buy it and you have already registered here, you don't need to do any other thing. Your point will start entering. You understand? Just to hold it, by holding you are earning points per day. You understand? And the higher amount of USX you hold, you can decide to buy for $1,000, you can decide to buy for $50, you can decide to buy for $10, whichever amount is accepted. But the higher you buy, the higher your flip point you'll be earning per day. The lower the flip point you'll be earning per day. This stablecoin ecosystem is booming. You understand? There are many platforms that are built just to give you reward for holding or staking your stable coins. We have Multiplier is doing the same. Glider is also doing something similar, but their own is mixed, both stables and other altcoins and what have you, meme coins are there also. So there are a lot of other platforms like that, and I chose to focus more on this Solstice. So do well to maybe like this video, subscribe to this channel, invite your friends, share this video with whoever you love. I did 2 projects now. I've broken down 2 projects in this video. One is 100% free, the other one is retroactive. You can decide to put money, you can decide to leave that one. That is your own decision. This video only is for educational purpose. Just do your own findings before investing, right? So we'll see in our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. Cheers.